Hey guys, just wanted to jump on here and show you a quick way that you can work with opening the chest and shoulders. So this is a really nice posture. It's also a yin posture that we do on the floor, but I'd like to show you how to do it on the wall. So you can just gently walk your left arm in line with the shoulder. You can either cupcake the fingers here by tenting, or you can flatten the palm. And then from here, your hips are going to just softly turn out to the right if you have your left arm on the wall first. And right fingertips can rest on the wall, or you can bring them to the hip, whatever feels good for you. So just breathing here for a couple of breaths will really help to open the chest, relaxing any tension here. Wonderful. And then to release, just bend the elbow, shift the hips towards the wall, and switch sides. So send the right arm out in line with the shoulder. Left fingertips can gently press into the wall to create that little bit of resistance here. So you'll notice my body isn't quite flush against the wall. Good. Nice deep breaths. Feels wonderful. And when you release, you can bring the body back towards the wall and take some shoulder rolls up, down, and back, and maybe shake the arms out. Thanks, guys.